56 mile an hour, just listening to this hum. It started happening the last couple of days. That noise. Got a bit quieter at 70. Going, there's no oscillation like a typical bearing where it would be roll sort of sound. It doesn't change at all depending on engine speed, so it's tied to the speed of the wheel, the drive shaft, the shaft extension, because it's on the driver's side at the front, and this is a right-hand drive British car, so the gearbox is actually on the front passenger side because it's front wheel drive. So it might be, it could still be the bearings, but the garage has looked at the bearings. You'll hear it more when I get to the roundabout down here. So it could still be the bearings, but there wasn't any play. It could be the protector at the back of the brake disc, the pie tray bit that I've had some trouble with it, and it's had to be bent around because it got knocked into when the wheels were changed, and it started squeaking really loud. So I've had another garage just bodge around with it with a screwdriver just to bend it off touching anything. But that was a totally different sound to this. That was like a really loud. It could be the drive shaft or the drive shaft extension, because obviously this side, on the driver's side, the drive shaft has to be extended because the gearbox is on the front passenger side, near the curb. Let's put it into neutral. Neutral, engine drop, rev down to idle. No difference with swinging it. It's definitely metal on metal, but it doesn't sound like metal scraping on metal. It sounds like metal mechanism on metal with some kind of problem.